Hi everyone, I'm Michael from WWWONCLOUD.com. In this video, we show you how to create an email and set up Microsoft Outlook. Let's take a look. After login, click Mail. Click Create Email Address. Create your email. Enter password. Set mailbox size. Mailbox space will combine with hosting space. Click OK. OK completed. You can go directly to the webmail. Webmail.yourdomain. Enter email. john.doe@digplate.com. Enter password. We can use webmail from multiple devices. No software installation required. OK, let's go to configure Microsoft Outlook. Our hosting allow POP3, IMAP, SMTP. Enter email. Click Advanced Options. Select Let me set up my account manually. Click Connect. Click POP. Incoming mail. Enter mail.yourdomain. Mail.digplate.com. Enter port 995. Click This server requires an encrypted connection SSL/TTL. Outgoing mail. Enter mail.yourdomain. Mail.digplate.com. For outgoing, enter port 587. Encryption method. Select Auto. Click Next. Enter password. Click Connect. Click Done. Click Send Receive. If no error, the process is complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.